back to Skyway Classics. We're now going to go for a ride in our 1995 Ford Mustang. And the real cool thing about this Ford Mustang is in the pictures it does look like a hardtop. However, it's also a convertible, which is some of the small touches they did, especially in the Ford Thunderbirds. I don't know if you really remember that, but it is a nice feature that they did. This one's a 5-speed manual. As you can see, we got a little boost gauge. This car does have a bit of performance to her. And the good thing with performance is you need good brakes, which we're demonstrating for you now. Shifts really good, sounds really good. And as we take her up the road here, we'll let her open up a little bit. Hear those RPMs, they sound good. But other than that, it's like your basic Ford Mustang. You can drive her to the beach, you can drive her to work. Heck, you can even show it off. Nobody's gonna know what's under the hood of this baby. But anyway, we're gonna get her turned around, put her on the lift, let you guys take a look at the underneath. We'll see you there.